Hello, Professor. I hope you're doing well. Okay, so a brief description of what I'm really proud of. I'm really proud of the projection because it came out nice. It actually came out exactly how I wanted, such that if when I click on it, it does nothing, but when I click the box, I can change it, which is, wonderful. That is actually the proudest part. Well, that's actually the part of the project that I'm the proudest of. So I'm actually proud of the whole thing, but the projection itself looks really pretty. Proof that my code can run. Okay, I'm gonna rerun it for you, and then you'll see. It's gonna rerun, and then bam, and then we choose our font again. I'm proud of the whole thing. We can just choose our colors, and do that, and change the size and whatever you'd like. Okay, let me just fix the y-axis and we'll change that to white. So I'm definitely proud of the whole thing. Okay, and now proof that my code can run, so I just ran that. An explanation of any challenges that I face. I definitely have trouble with the file tree. I can't get the file tree to work. I have basically 90% of the project done because this font menu works. I just need to implement the same logic into the file, edit, and render because I have a function that gets the item of the menu and converts it to a string, which is what I basically use here. So if you click on Arial, return a string called Arial, pass it in for the font, and that's the reason why the font loads. So I could do the same thing, if, close project is hid, return a string called close project, and then in an event handler, it does a close project. So if something is equal to close, you get the gist of it. So I'm definitely trying to I have that figured out. I just need to implement it. But the file tree is something that I haven't been able to figure out, and I've been working on it for like 3 weeks, and it's about 91% done. Like if I show you my file tree, it's just a repositioning and like the clicking that's not working. Any breakthroughs that occur while developing your project? Yeah, I definitely had a breakthrough with the sliders because I couldn't figure out how to update the value as it was running, and I finally got it. And I'm even able to print out the value as it runs. So yeah, so that's definitely cool. An explanation whether your project still aligns. Technically, because I don't have the file tree, it's like 93% done. Does it align with the scope of the project? I personally believe it does, but because that file tree is not there, maybe it's like a 85% that it doesn't align. And well, I guess I'll just show you a final little demonstration that my project works. Let's change this thing. Change it to something else. Let's say hello Dave. Oh, and depending on the font, obviously the capitals will register. So see hello Dave. We'll make your name look like something from Apple. So we'll definitely lower the opacity. We'll put you in the middle. Put you right there. Lower that. Bam. Increase the font size, make it, hello Dave, hello Dave, hello Dave. So definitely, something I'm really proud of is this project, and that's my project. You can change the color to whatever you want. Anything, whatever you want, whatever your heart desires.